Good morning, everyone. Today is October the 28th. I wanted to wait for 30 minutes to see how the chart action would look because I have a suspicion about what it is that we're going to do today. And so here we are. And this is the Moneyball morning for the Benzinga Pro platform. Love getting a chance to recap and review everything that's going on. You guys know that if you're in the platform in my channel, you know that I've put this up yesterday and we talked about what we were looking at. Today, we can see it coming in to the pass and how you can play the prior day's range. Notice, if this is the range of the entire day and you open up the next day, as we did in the overnight, or at 9:30 this morning, actually, because we're looking at regular trading hours, you can see that what the chart did was say, hey, and what the traders did was say, hey, I'm going to buy that low, and I'm going to try and push it up and over because I'm bullish. Now, let's say you're bearish, or let's say you're saying to yourself, hey, I know that if the bulls want to get anywhere today, they're going to have to get up over this midline, but I got a gut feeling they won't. So let's say you have a bearish slant. What you're going to do is watch the move up, and the second it starts getting into the body of the candle, you know that they're saying, hey, listen, I can't even hold yesterday's open. And that's where you're going to take that short. And that short will bring you down into the midline of this formation. Now, in the time between us talking and everything moving, that actually already happened. We moved from 383 to 381.50 or something like that. Notice if you play the strat, it's going to be this area that's going to be the target. If you use the 50% midlines, it'll come down here. Here's the bottom line. Today is going to be messy, but look at how it worked the exact same way in the Qs. So let's say you looked at this and you went, you know what, I'm bullish. I'm bullish, Tech. Once it gets into the body and it closes, you can go, you know what, that's my buy zone intraday, and I'm going to look at this low of the prior day as my stop. And what I'm going to try and do is get to the 50% midline of the prior day's formation, and I'm going to take profit there. That's level-to-level trading. Now, you might say to yourself, you know what, that takes so much energy. I really don't want to put that. We are sitting in a frickin' mosh pit, my friends. It is one of the most brutal, volatile, price-swinging action markets I have ever worked in. And so to win, you must say, all right, this is where I suspect they're going to go. When I get there, I'm going to take half my profit. This is range-based trading today. And the range is going to be the prior day's low to the prior day's high. And if it breaks out, it's going to stair-step into the next measure of motion. And for the SPY, that's going to be the midline of the prior month. For the Qs, it's going to be the 25% range of the prior month because the Qs are much weaker in terms of the formation forward. Listen, this golden nugget I have given to you on October the 28th is going to save your bacon more times than you can absolutely imagine. Trust me on this. Been doing this for 20 years, and the way I have discovered to share with individuals is to get them hyper-focused on the most important thing, and that's price action, all right? And so that's what we're going to look at. You can see the struggle at the 50% range. So you know as it comes down into this area that we were talking about, that 381.60 to 382, you got to take some profit. You might go, wow, that's not a lot. That's intraday trading for you, and you can do it in any chart at any time in any space, just so long as you're looking at the day, the week, and the month, and you're taking into effect what the traders are doing once they come into the body of those candlesticks. All right? Good luck trading today. I'll see you on Monday.